like a cancer grows. Take my words that I might teach you. Take my arms that I might reach you. But my words, like silent raindrops, fell, echoed in the wells of silence. People bowed and